Bro, it makes me feel so hungry.
Me too, bro.
Is it a black day, boy? Why it is still nothing? But don't worry, I have an idea from a guy on YouTube.
Let's see. 100,000 Vietnam đồng meal challenge for 4 people. That sounds good. We have a master chef here. Hey yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and this is your boy Anh Phan Lang Thang and Phúc Tuấn Bình. Today, based on one fan's comment on my last video, I'm gonna do a 100,000 Vietnam đồng meal challenge for 4 people. Okay, let's follow me.
Let's go.
In this video, the menu will be stir-fried water spinach with garlic, tomato and egg drop soup, caramelized pork dip, and watermelon for dessert. Now let's watch our grocery shopping process.
I just got a bunch of water spinach for 1,000 đồng. Let's cook this.
I just pick up some pork belly for about 15,000 đồng. Let's cook this.
And have a watermelon with. And we still have 20,000 đồng left. So let's find something to buy.
Oh, what is this? Oh, tomatoes. What about some tomato and egg drop soup? Yes. I just bought some eggs. Let's cook it. Yeah.
Okay, we have got all the ingredients here. So now let's get cooking.
First up, we have the stir-fried water spinach with garlic. To make it, remove the charred stem, keep the tender parts, and wash the vegetable. Chop a few cloves and of the garlic. Heat the pan with oil. Add half of garlic and fry until the fragrant. Then add the water spinach and stir fry quickly to keep it crisp and crisp. Season with a little sugar. Seasoning season. Mix well. Finally, transfer to the plate and serve hot. Let's quick fry. To cook tomato and egg soup, first wash and cut the tomato into small pieces. Then peel the garlic and shallots. Next, heat a little oil in a pan and fry the garlic and shallots until they smell good. Then add the tomatoes and cook them until they become soft. After that, add water and bring it to a boil. Next, beat the eggs in a bowl and slowly pour them into the soup while stirring gently. Finally, add some salt, pepper, and green onions for better flavor.
After buying it, we prepare the ingredient by washing and cutting the pork into bite-sized pieces. Next, turn on the stove, wait until the pan is hot, then add the pork and stir continually. When the pork becomes firm, add onions and garlic. Then add fish, salt and sugar and season to taste. Cook until the sauce thickens. Finally, take the pork out and put it on the plate.
And the hardest part usually comes at the end, cooking rice. First, rinse the rice to clean it. Next, measure the rice and water. Always remember the finger joint rule. Then put it in the rice cooker. Finally, turn the rice cooker on and wait until the rice is cooked. And here's our result. Wow! And let's eat together. A nutritious meal is very important for health and development. It provides energy for daily activities and study. Nutrients like protein, vitamins, and minerals help the body grow strong, boost the immune system, and prevent diseases. Eating a balanced diet also improves focus and memory, especially for students. Therefore, having a nutritious meal every day is essential for a healthy and active life. And that's the end of today's video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.